Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is ARA. I am so excited for you guys to be here today. Today we are turning ourselves into installment number 2 of the Powerpuff Girls series. I'm turning myself into... It keeps getting caught. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is ARA. I am so excited for you to be here today. Today we are doing installment number 2 of the Powerpuff Girls series. I'm going to be turning myself into Blossom, in case you couldn't tell, and if you can't, you're blind. Well, thank you. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. We had so much fun. Today we answered a few questions and figuring out which Powerpuff Girl I am. The answer was okay. Watch to find out which girl I am. And so on that note, I'm thinking that's it for today. Make sure that you guys, if you like the video, to like it. And if you want to talk to me, make sure you comment. I'm always down below responding to you guys. And make sure that you subscribe to help support me, because that would be amazing. 60% of you guys are watching my videos and not subscribing. So like, we need to fix that. But yeah, on that note, let's head on over to the transformation station. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna start by applying like a baby pink into the crease just to sort of lay down a base. And we're gonna get started asking some questions. But I have to pick one. So it was hate, beauty, love, and aggression. If it's like, but it's the main ingredient. Which one was the table? No, which one was the cup? Not love. So it's between hate, beauty, and aggression. I'm gonna go between either hate or aggression. Let's go with aggression, because you can have aggressive love or you can have aggressive hate. So I'll go with aggression. What? No, I would never. Because I know how you are. I had to give you a pose because you always pause on the ugliest moment.
What is your favorite season?
Fall. Is that really? Yeah, I didn't know that's what you meant. I thought you meant like QBS spice.
Pick a useless superpower.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go with flying for 20 feet at a time. That's exactly what it is. Moving things a few inches at a time, like that's literally being like. But I'm not playing chess. Like I don't need that. Now chess would be sick. It would be like in Harry Potter when they're like knight to E4. Very that. Flying 20 feet. Now I'm taking a hot pink and I'm gonna put that into the crease just to deepen that all up. I'm sitting on this chair like a monkey. I said it to myself.
So the wife can't say it.
Yeah.
What are you hungry for right now? Chocolate, mozzarella sticks, and burger fruit.
A burger fruit? Like what is burger fruit? I don't like burgers. Mozzarella sticks are good. I hate fruit. So yeah, we're gonna go with mozzarella sticks. Oh, that sounds, that's just rude. Cause now I want fat. Appalachian. You earn everything.
If you could rename the Power Girls, what would you call them?
Yes. Don't even read the other ones. Honestly, I was gonna say that you should name the Powerpuff Girls Ara, Sam, and Queen Brown Sugar Spice. Sam would obviously be Bubbles. Blossom. How would Sam be Blossom? Sam is the ditzy blonde and pigtails that we're, no. Sam is Bubbles, fully. And then Queen, she's the one that everybody thinks is aggressive and mean. Also, I still believe that Buttercup is a lesbian and Queen Brown Sugar Spice is bisexual, so that's the only one that makes sense. Buttercup is a lesbian and you will not change my mind about it. I guess that just leaves me to be Blossom. Oh my god.
Choose your favorite dinner.
Pizza.
Pizza?
Because like lasagna is not cute. I don't know. I have a problem with lasagna. So yeah, pizza. Final answer. Good answer. Good answer. You're welcome. Now I'm gonna take a red and I'm gonna build that into the crease to really deepen it up.
Choose some dessert.
Snickerdoodles! Snickerdoodles! I'm not picking that. But hate cake. Don't really care for snickerdoodles. Ice cream's okay. Cookies are okay. I'm gonna pick cookies over ice cream. So cookies. I am not Buttercup. I'm not a lesbian. Because I'm Blossom! But can I at least be Bubbles? Everyone likes Bubbles. Blossom is the, like...
I like Buttercup.
Don't nobody like Buttercup.
I like Buttercup.
Why do you like Buttercup? Nobody ever picks but don't nobody ever pick Buttercup by itself. It's always Buttercup and this person. Like, I like Buttercup too. But like, no, Bubbles is the favorite. Do I look balanced? I'm now going to use a dark purple. And I'm going to put that into the outer crease mixed with a little bit of black. A little bit of it. And now I'm going to carve out my crease.
Come down my breeze.
A little bit of it. I don't know the words to that. Does anyone know the words to that? What? Angela! I'm now going to be using a white. I know you're not skipping away. I'm now going to be using a white to set that. It's a shimmery white. So now I'm going to go in. I've only done one eye of the cut crease. I'm going to do the other one, but I'll do that one off camera because you guys can't even see it. But I'm gonna do the same rhinestone dots that we did for Bubbles, just to kind of keep them all, you know, twinsies. But yeah, I'm gonna put diamonds on all of them so they all match, but like are different. I wanna turn myself into Patrick Star. I did it a long time ago when I first started doing makeup because I was bigger then. I went to go get a nose job and I told him to make me look like Gwyneth Paltrow. I get off the table and I look like freaking Shrek. That clinking, clinking sound, it makes the world go round.
Awkward word.
You up there in the balcony, I see you. I see you. I love you. Come on to the jailhouse, rock with me, let's rock. Well, I think on that note, we are done with the makeup. So, I'm gonna go off camera and I'm gonna transform. Oh. Okay guys, and that is it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. This is my Blossom transformation. Yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. I would love to see recreations of this look. If you do, make sure you tag me on Instagram at ARA_vanity. My TikTok is also ARA_vanity. If you do any fun creations like this, or if you duet me on TikTok, that would also be amazing. And I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Make sure that you guys go down below, like, comment, subscribe, and all that jazz. And yeah, so till next time, bye.